This is not exercise, so if you're expecting sweating, jumping, or forcing your body into painful stretches, stop right now. Because what you're about to do is something most beginners completely ignore. And that's exactly why their joints stay stiff, painful, and locked even after months of yoga or workouts. This is Joint Reset Yoga, a slow, intelligent mobility approach designed to restore how your joints are meant to move, not how Instagram poses look. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Your joints don't become tight because you're inflexible. They become tight because they've forgotten their natural range of motion due to sitting, stress, poor posture, and repetitive movement. So instead of stretching muscles aggressively, this routine starts by re-educating your nervous system to feel safe, opening the joints again, beginning with gentle neck rotations, synced with deep nasal breathing to release cervical compression, then moving into slow shoulder joint circles that lubricate the sockets like oiling a rusted hinge, followed by controlled spinal waves that wake up each vertebra one by one, allowing your back to move as a unit instead of a stiff block. And as we shift into hip mobility, arguably the most neglected area in modern bodies, you'll notice we're not pushing depth, we're exploring control. Because hips don't need force, they need awareness. And this is where most people feel an immediate sense of lightness, as if pressure has been lifted from their lower back. Then we transition into knee and ankle joint resets using micro movements that improve circulation without strain, something beginners rarely practice because it looks too easy. Yet these movements are the foundation of pain-free walking, squatting, and sitting. And throughout this flow, the key rule is simple: no pain, no pushing, no competition with your past flexibility. Only slow, intentional motion paired with calm breathing. Because the moment your nervous system relaxes, your joints open naturally. And by the end of this session, without sweat, without exhaustion, you'll likely feel taller, smoother, and more connected to your body than after intense workouts. Which is why Joint Reset Yoga works best when practiced regularly, especially if you sit for long hours or feel stiffness when you wake up. And if this feels surprisingly effective, that's because you're finally working with your body instead of fighting it. So stay consistent, move slow, and remember, mobility is not built through force.